Hello and welcome back to the channel today. Today we are going to be replacing the 2002 to 2007 Saturn Vue dome light bulb. Now what you're going to need is a prong puller, like one of those trim pullers things, and some brains. So here we go. Now this is a 562 festoon bulb. Well, I already did most of it, so there you go. Now I converted mine to LED, so there you go. Just pop it out. This is the bulb. Let me show you a photo. I got this on Amazon for $5.99 pack of 2. Really nice. Puts on a nice blue light. Very fuel energy efficient, and there we go, putting it back in. Hold on. There we go. Alright, it's went the wrong way. There we go. Come on. These hooks are a nuisance, but hold on. Okay, we got it. So that's all you gotta do. You can find these in junkyards. Do not pay for eBay. Hold on. Come on, focus. You can buy these at the junkyard. Very cheap, so, well, there goes the bulb. Okay, there we go. Well, thanks everyone for watching, and make sure to watch the next video. Till the next time, watch the vids. New slogan, watch the vids. Okay, see you next time.